One.
So, ayun, makikita niyo naman.
Pound cross. Ganyan lang. Pound cross. 25. Okay, 25 each.
25.
Okay, next. Pound between. Pound between. Pound between. Pound between. Pound between. Pound between. Huh?
Next.
Okay, next. Look, between. Okay, next. Ito na yung sinasabi ko na, yung split step. Okay?
Split.
Sana makuha nyo. Pound, split. 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 What? Next, continuous split. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20. Gawin nyo na 50 times. 50 times the right, 50 times the left. This one, pocket dribble. Look. Pocket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left. Paano ba magkata sa basketball? Di ba pag magkata sa basketball na gano'n? Yun yung purpose nun. Turn natin, merong cross tight, 50. Kuha.
50 yan na.
Merong mid lang, mid. Hanggang knee. Kuha. Kuha. Next, wide. Ito yung pinakamahirap. Kaya nito. Kuha. Next. Last is continuation. Tingnan nyo. Crossover. Look. 1, 2. Ito na yung pocket nyo na. 3, 5,
Tingnan niyo ang footwork sa likod. Importante niya sa likod.
next tight.
Next.
50 tight. Okay?
Bounce ng bola sa gitna. Tingnan niyo ang bounce ng bola sa gitna.
5, 2, 1.
Mid.
Media. Ito, wide.
Next. Footwork. Skip. Footwork.
Tingnan niyo ang bounce ng bola sa gitna lagi. Yan. Okay?
Yan.
Simple lang.
This one, 50 times. Again. Between, cross. Simple lang to.
Mid cross. Stationary lang muna. Stay low. Always stay low.
Wide base. Hindi naka-wide base.
Naka-wide base yung paa. Para makadaan ng bola ng ayos.
Next. 50 times.
50 times yan.
Okay. Progression. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yan, may konting extra step. Actually, ang dami nito.
Left.